Hi everyone, how was my last tutorial part about the means of transport in the German language? Do write your reviews in the comment section. Now in this last tutorial part, I am going to use the means of transport in the German sentences and questions, but I'm also going to use the dative case which I introduced in my tutorial 35. So before watching this tutorial, please check my tutorials 14 in which I introduced the German grammar cases, then tutorial 21 in which I've mentioned the conjugation pattern of the regular German verbs, and my last tutorial 35 in which I revised the first two German grammar cases and introduced to you the dative case. So let's have a look. Now the dative case can be used to describe the location in German. The location is die Lage, and how it can be used to describe location is using certain prepositions. So taking the examples of three locations here, Bahnhof, der Bahnhof, which is the railway station, der Flughafen, which is the airport, and der Hafen, which is the seaport. All three nouns are masculine in gender, and the preposition an will be used with the definite article for the masculine nouns, which is dem, and this can be shortened to If the nouns are feminine, then an plus der will not be shortened to any form. It will still remain an, der. But for masculine and neutral nouns, an and dem is shortened to So am Bahnhof, am Flughafen, am Hafen, at the railway station, at the airport, and at the seaport. Then there is the luggage, which is das Gepäck, which can consist of the suitcase, which is der Koffer, and a bag like this, which is die Tasche. So let's have a look at how the location can be described using this preposition an. Wo ist das Gepäck? The question wo, which means where, is always used when asking for location of someone or something. So where is the luggage? Das Gepäck ist am Flughafen. The luggage is at the airport. Instead of am, you can still write an dem, and it will mean the same. For a person, wo ist der Mann? Where is the man? Der Mann ist am Bahnhof. The man is at the railway station. When describing that you're traveling somewhere to some city or a country, then the place is der Ort, which can be the city, die Stadt. Note that city is a feminine noun, therefore it has the article die. And please check my YouTube short in which the question wo ist die Stadt has been used to ask for location of the city. So if you're traveling to some place which is Ort or some country which is Land, then before that place or country the preposition nach will be used. And how that will be, let's have a look. To travel in German is the regular verb reisen. Das regelmäßige Verb reisen. And by regular, I mean that it has a certain conjugation pattern that all regular German verbs have, which is like this: I travel, ich reise. You travel, talking to some friend or anyone informally, du reist. You travel formal, talking to some stranger or formally to someone, sie reisen. He, she, it travels, er, sie, es reist. We travel, wir reisen. All of you travel, so two or more people that I'm talking to directly, then ihr reist. They travel, sie reisen. The preposition ohne is a preposition in German which makes use of the accusative case, which I have covered now in two tutorials, tutorial 14 and the last tutorial. And the preposition mit is the preposition in German which uses the dative case. Ich reise ohne das Gepäck. I am traveling without the luggage. Ich reise mit dem Gepäck. I am traveling with the luggage. Since owner uses accusative case, then because this is a neutral noun, I have shown that the article will remain as it is, but in the dative case for a neutral noun, the definite article changes to dem. In a question, reist du mit dem Gepäck or reist du ohne das Gepäck? The verb will come in the first position, then the personal pronoun, then the preposition, and last of all the noun in the question. Also, if I'm using the preposition nach that I just mentioned some time before, this is how it will be positioned in the sentences. Ich reise nach Deutschland. I am traveling to Germany. In a question, reist du nach Deutschland? Are you traveling to Germany? The verb comes in the first place, and then the personal pronoun, then the preposition, and then the name of the place or the country. Moving on, another verb which is regular related to travel is fliegen, which is to fly. I fly, ich fliege. You fly informal, du fliegst. You fly formal, sie fliegen. He, she, it flies. Er, sie, es fliegt. We fly, wir fliegen. Two or more people flying, ihr fliegt. They fly, sie fliegen. Again, this verb can be used in the questions and sentences with these two prepositions in the same way as reisen is used in the sentences and questions that I just showed you. So moving on. Now another verb related to travel is an irregular verb in German, which is das unregelmäßige Verb fahren, which is to drive. But fahren is used in German also to mean to ride a bicycle. So the conjugation will be ich fahre, du fährst, sie fahren, er, sie, es fährt, wir fahren, ihr fahrt, sie fahren. Now the verbs fliegen and fahren can both be used with the prepositions ohne and mit in sentences like this. Since fliegen and fahren are both verbs that make use of the accusative case, so if I want to say ich fliege den Flugzeug, it means that I am flying the plane myself, so I am the pilot. Or if I say ich fahre das Auto, it means I am driving the car. Now, if I use the preposition mit and I say ich fliege mit dem Flugzeug, it means that I am not flying the plane myself, but I am the passenger of that plane. And ich fahre mit dem Auto will be not only in the sense that I am driving the car, but it can also mean that I am traveling with the car, but someone else is driving the car. Ich fliege nach Italien. So I am flying to Italy. Or ich fahre nach Italien. So it means that I am going to drive to Italy. So both these verbs can be used with the preposition nach also. To negate sentences with these verbs, the word nicht will be used. Ich reise or ich fliege or ich fahre nicht nach, and then comes the place. So that was all for today. Any questions related to this entire tutorial, you can ask in the comment section. Do like my videos and continue watching the tutorials. Also, do not forget to subscribe to German Tutorials for Beginners and share my channel's name and link with your friends, and also my username German by Rabia. Wishing all my Muslim subscribers a happy Eid. Thank you.